seeing the same narrative all over the country. Since my son has died, it seems that there's been nothing but murder after murder after murder, televised, nationalized, and we're losing our babies. We're losing our husbands and our fathers in the streets. And unless this whole country stands up and makes some form of a difference, it's not going to stop. These police are going in and they're killing people, and they're making up the same exact story. People need to see that this isn't right, this isn't justice. My son needed help, he didn't need gunshots. We need justice. These police officers that think it's okay to open fire on these people, take their lives, and go on with theirs, they need to know that they have to be held accountable for their actions. The police departments, the entire cities that represent and stand behind these police departments need to be held accountable. This going to New York for me is to make sure that on a national level, we can all start to make some form of a difference, because if we all stand up and say that this has to change, they will have to make changes. They have to pay attention, and it's power by numbers.